Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this female inventory review, we'll examine it in a depth to see if it can help you scale up in 2025. So to get started, what is female inventory? Female inventory is a tool that help business keep track of their stuff. Think of it as a super smart way to manage your inventory management. It's an inventory management system that lets you see how much you have with it, and then when you need more, you can create order tracks, shipment, and connect them to your online store. This integration works with Shopify and other e-commerce sites. Funnel inventory play help you know exactly what inside if you have a warehouse. It makes keeping track of your product easy so you can sell more and make fewer mistakes. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, it comes with a lot of key features that makes this platform stand out. So Funnel inventory has some really cool features. They make managing your stock and easier. And also, let's look at some of the best features that is available on this platform. So one of the best features is the warehouse system management, together with a quick stock transfer, and a FBA inventory management, together with an inventory accounting and a multi-channel inventory management. So talking about the pricing plan, Funnel inventory offer a tiered pricing plan to fit different business needs, and here's the breakdown. So talking about the plan name, we have the self-starter, we have the bronze, the silver, the gold, the platinum, and the custom. So if you want more information, you can just get back to the website to know each price for each plan and to see what each plan can do for you and how they can make your work easier. So that's it.